As leader of the opposition in Jamaica and president of the People's National Party, I extend hearty congratulations to Kamala Harris on her election as Vice President of the United States of America. Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora are filled with joy as we celebrate her historic achievements of becoming the first female, the first African American, and the first person of Jamaican and Indian heritage to rise to that elevated position. It has been with a great sense of pride that we have watched Kamala Harris's meteoric rise to the office of Attorney General of the state of California, then to the US Senate, and now to the Vice Presidency of the United States. With this latest achievement, she has ascended to the pinnacle of the distinguished list of persons of Caribbean heritage who have served with distinction at senior levels of the US government. We in this Caribbean region anticipate with great optimism that Kamala Harris will facilitate an even stronger relationship between the United States government and the governments and peoples of the Caribbean. She can be assured of the support, respect and love of the Jamaican people, as we hope that she will have an early opportunity to visit us here in Jamaica so that we can recognize her tremendous achievements in true Jamaican style. Once again, congratulations, Kamala. We are proud of you.